Hello everyone. In today's video we shall be discussing about how to calculate PIPS and PIPS value in forex market for any equity currency. Please try to subscribe to this channel and comment, like and share to your friends. Add value to them. Are you hearing me? You're gonna do that. You have to add value. Don't let your friends go broke. Oh my god, this is Win Financial and Volatility Market. Welcome to today's video course on how to calculate PIPS and PIPS values in forex market for any account currency type. Your account equity could be in USD or Euro or GBP or any type. How do you do that? That's what this video covers. Okay, so the first thing is you need to create account with a broker that I promote. Check down the description of this video in order to do that. You need to create account with this broker. You will see it in the description of the video. Now the second is, let's dive into the video. Okay, now for 4 or 5 currency pairs like Euro USD, JPB USD, AUD USD on standard lot size. When I say standard lot size, I mean lot size of 1. Okay, that's standard. NP, the number of PIP is price change by 10,000. So 1 PIP value is $10 loss or profit. $10 loss or profit. Okay, if you have a 1 PIP, let me show you what I mean. In MetaTrader 5, I'm gonna watch this video, man. Oh, this is Euro USD. Around this time is 28 May 7:30 o'clock 2021. You can see that if I place sell here, I will make profit. But I'm not going to be trading, right? Okay, I'm showing you something. Click at the middle of this. Let's place sell, and we are expecting the price action to reach here. So you will see 2 numbers here. Are you seeing the 2 number? The first is candlestick number, which is 12 candlestick, and the second is the price change. This is 0.00570. So the PIP value should be 0.00570 times 10,000. Let's do that, man. Baby, come up. Don't try to lose hope here. Forex is huge market where you can make money, but you need to be educated. Okay, so let's get it done. If you are watching this video from Egypt, if you are watching this video from other part of Africa, you know why I emphasize on Egypt. I am trying to change a lot of people's life, particularly from around the world. But Egypt, I see Egypt, I see niggers, I see young men, young women that are poor, and I want them to join this company, which is, you will check the description of the video, click on that, create account with this broker. You will never regret it. Okay, 10,000, you can turn $10 to thousands of dollars, even millions of dollars if you follow our instructions. So let's get started to what I'm saying. This is 0.00570. If I'm right, you are going to multiply this with 10,000. So this is 57 PIP. Okay, 57 PIP. So this will help you to manage your money, like in the aspect of setting your take profit and your stop loss. Because if I want to enter this trade now, I'm going to put my, I'm not teaching you money stop loss or stop placement or I'm not teaching you money management. I'm teaching you things you need to do before you start managing your money. So this is different for this video, but let me just touch it a bit. If you are placing sell here, you can place a stop loss a little bit above here. But before you do that, if I put, you need to calculate the PIP level from here, the current price to that place. You see that if you multiply 0.0085 by 10,000, that will give you 8.5 PIP. Now, if you buy 1 lot size, you will be losing $1 because 1 lot size is a standard lot, and as I have showed you in the note part, it is $10 loss or profit depending if you are losing or gaining. So this time around, if the price go against you when you sell, then you will lose by $8. But if you buy one lot size and the price move up down here, okay, you see, let's say down here we get 57 pips somewhere here, 57 pip, okay, and that will be 57 by 10. If we buy one lot size, that will be $570. Now, it does not matter your equity, your initial equity, as so long the equity is able to carry the standard lot size you are buying. Now, what I'm trying to say here is you have to be very, very, very careful when you are applying this my formula, because don't make mistake, okay? Try to calculate very well. So let's go to the next thing. If you like what I'm doing, if you like this video, just subscribe, comment your country. I'm gonna help you to teach you how to make money trading forex market in your country, okay? Share it to your friends that are hungry for success and are looking for a right source of information. So, bro, sister, I want you to start changing your life and the life of others by bringing them to this channel. So the next thing, for 2 decimal currency pair like gold, a lot of people are blowing their money trading gold simply because they don't know this thing I'm teaching you right here. Let me tell you something. If you are trading gold, you must learn this. It's a must, and you should do that. NP, the number of PIP is price change times 10. Simple. And the PIP value is $10 profit or loss, depending. That is on a one standard lot size. Let me write it here. A lot size. Please help me correct that. Pay standard lot size. Pay standard. Okay. Wherever you see that, make sure you put per standard lot size. That is, per standard lot size means one lot size, okay? I'm not going to write this, at least you hear my voice. So, for 3 decimal currency pair, like you say by USD, the number of PIP, the total number of PIP should be the price change times 100, and PIP value is $50 profit or loss. This is one of the dangerous instrument that can make you rich in the forex market, because it has the highest PIP value in US dollar. $50. If you get 1 PIP, $50. That means if you get 100 PIP, you're making $5,000. Okay, that's crazy. Oh my God. So if USD is not listed as a second in the pair, you're gonna use this. If USD is not listed second, divide the PIP value that I've shown you above, the 1 PIP value that I've shown you above, by the USD/exchange rates. Okay, that is the exchange rate between USD as the quotes, as the base, I'm sorry, that's the first of the pay, as against the quote, which is SS currency. Okay, so that's how you get a P value when USD is not listed second in the pair. For example, to get a P value of a standard lot for US dollar, Canadian dollar, in a USD account. Remember, we are talking about our account currency is in USD. So, okay, let me show you what I mean. You see here, if I go to this, the account currency is in USD. Check it up here. Are you not seeing? Yeah, I don't know if you see what I'm saying. So you have to do this. What it is this. Divide the USD $10, which I have shown you for 4 digit or 5 for 4 decimal or 5 decimal currency that has USD as we have done it like USD is the quote, like the second in the pay. Please, I didn't write it down, but it should be. We have assumed that USD is second in the pay. You can see it second here. So these ones are called fees. We call it fees PIP value. Okay, so when USD is not listed second, and you are using USD account, then do this, baby. Just you're gonna do this thing, I tell you. For example, to get a PIP value of standard loss size for US dollar, Canadian dollar, USD card, when trading in USD account, divide USD $10 by USD card rate. It is assumed that the pay has USD, but USD is not first. Okay, so think about it. And the currency decimal number is 4 or 5. Okay, think about that. So if the USD card rate is this, that is the relationship between 1 USD to card, that is 1 USD is equal to 1.34105 Canadian dollars. Okay, the standard lot P value is now USD $7.46 or USD $10 divided by 1.34105. Please read this over and over again, you will get what I mean. So the value of PIP in non-USD accounts, there are at times maybe you are from Europe. Please, if you are watching this video from Europe, let's say you are watching from any European continent, any European countries, like you are watching from Croatia, you are watching from Brazil, oh my God, you are watching from England, any part of European country you are watching, make sure you comment. I'm gonna do a special video on how to make big money trading financial market, especially with my broker. So check the description to join the broker, please. Even if you join other broker, quit. Those brokers are not going to fit in with this thing I've told you. So that is it. So it's mine, but not all of them. That's why you need to be consistent following the formula. So right now, a lot of people aren't global using this strategy and following my broker. So why not join by checking the description of the video and clicking on the link. Right now, let's get on. Okay. When if your account currency or equity is in other currency unit other than US dollar, don't mind my English, then use this formula. Let me correct it. This is global. You are watching this, you have to know that this is order. Please wait and think about it. Okay, I don't want to make mistake here. Then use this formula. Order than oh my God, order than USD. So whatever currency the account is funded in, when that currency is listed second in a pay, the P value are fees. Okay, that fees, meaning that they will still have the same value I thought here. Let's say if your account is in euro currency, like the unit is euro, no longer USD, and you have a pay, let's say GBP euro, that means euro is the second. Okay, then and the decimal place is 4 or 5, then the PIP number of PIP will now be price change times 10,000. Okay, and the P value will just be 10. It will no longer be $10 now, it will be 10 euro. That's why I call the feast. Just the number, we'll be using those numbers. Okay, and remember the first part of these instructions, like for feast P values here, they are based on standard one lot size. That's why I put it here. Okay, standard lot size. Okay, so make sure you do that, for all these fees PIP values. Let me write it. The feast PIP values. Okay, so you should know that. So let's go down. Okay, so whatever the currency is, whatever the currency that comes from when the currency is listed second in the pay, the PIP value is, for example, if you have a Canadian dollar account and any pay that is XX, where S is the pay is the other currency, unknown currency here. Let's say SS can be euro, let's say euro card, or SS can be something like a GPB. So GPB card, such as, okay, there I gave example here. I gave you example USD card. We have a fixed PIP value, the ones I have also given you above. Now, to find the value of PIP when the card is listed first, like when your account currency is listed first, divide the fixed PIP rate by the exchange rate, normal. For example, if the exchange rate for Canadian dollar Swiss franc card, that is CAD/CHF, is 0.70347, a PIP is what? Canadian dollar 1.42 for a mini lot. Okay, now when you hear the word mini lot means a standard lot divided by 10, that is 0.1 lot. That is mini lot. Okay, we also have micro lots. You divide by 100. So don't mind, just shift everything by 10, multiply everything by 10, so that it will be in standard. Okay, you understand what it means. If you still confused, just comment in the comment section. I will do a special video on this particular one, just maybe 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Forward to your email. Okay, if the pay include Japanese yen like JPY, for example, the card JPY, you must multiply the result by 100 after dividing by exchange rate, normal. Okay, try to do this. If you still have question, I will do a special video. Practically, I will do the calculations and you will see it. I will drive all the values from the main chart, from the MT5. So thank you for staying with me, and I value your comment. I value your progress, your success, your money making lifestyle, your millionaire forex lifestyle. I value everything. I want every person in my channel to succeed. So share this video so that the number of successes is increased. A lot of people, about 10% traders are only succeeding, the rest 90% are losing. We want to increase it to at least 50%, more than 50% forex winners. That's why Win Financial is here for you. Thank you and bye for now.